Well, can you test the loader?
I don't know. I just think it's going to take out.
I will. That's how the front loader goes.
Look how they lined them up. You like that, Nano?
Okay, I hope I can see a side loader.
Maybe that's next. Huh?
That's a nice garbage truck. Side loader!
Yup, see?
Dang! I didn't see that truck have before. I want to see what it collects.
You might recognize from these driver stations the ones that come by your home once a week.
Whoa, another one? Dang, Nano.
It has the same. What was the garbage truck called? Like the garbage truck have so long to make reason.
What, another one?
Wait,
Dang.
it looks like our garbage truck. It looks like our garbage truck, but with just only these stuff. Ours has three in the back. It has the axle. What, another one?
Dang, Nano, another one?
Oh, he'll be his garbage truck friends. He'll be his garbage truck friends.
Oh,
This is how it collects the loader goes. Oh, and another one? Dang!
and he got a flag, Nanos? Look, he's got a little flag. America flag.
Oh, yeah. There's so many.
One more?
Another. What? Wait. It's a roll off.
What the heck, Nanos? Got a roll off too?
Huh? Dang, now my garbage trucks are really and another one. It says. Look at the loader. Those are big trucks. Whoa. Another way. Like they're
Like they have mechanical issues inside the engine and stuff, and they need fire to get out.
Dang, another one?
There's batteries. Wait.
They're higher than their own. Whoa,
Wait.
What the heck?
oh, that one's cool.
No, it looks different.
That's the downtown Roseville.
That's the logo down. a green one. And a roll. Dang.
So many,
Another one.
That's probably why they didn't do it on Wednesday.
Dang, there's so many.
So many.
Man.
Run. Run.
You gotta keep waving.
There's a lot of
I think there's more trucks coming in.
That's our garbage truck.
Say
It has the
hi and
ass.
thank you for cleaning up all of our
It
trash.
has the lid. It's Sacramento County. Dang. And another one.
It's like your dreams come true, huh?
Yeah. And my memory.
I think that truck went back that year.
That's what our garter collects. Another. Dang! Dang, there's so many. Dang! Dang, I love garbage trucks. Dang. That's a 9,000 out of now 9,000. So sick. That's a 1,000. That's 1,000. That's sick. Another. Dang! Oh, American flag. Go America. And more. Another one. Hey.
You see that? See what truck number that is?
Yay.
That's truck 67.
6, 7.
I like grandpa. I got a clip to send that one.
Oh no, the older people love it.
Wait, look. Where's that version? They're not scary. It's just a version.